Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante. I have been getting a lot of questions about how people can unlock their GCash accounts if they get locked out. And instead of answering them one by one in the comments, I decided to create a video to answer all those questions about unlocking. And I have come up with 4 ways that you can actually unlock your GCash account. So if you're ready to get started, let's go ahead and hop in. The first way to unlock your GCash account is to make use of the forgot password option. Okay, the forgot password option is applicable only for those who have set up their GCash PIN recovery. Now there's another video that I have created which helps you set up the GCash PIN recovery. It's actually a prevention so that when you get locked out, it will be a lot easier for you to recover your account. So if you have done that, then this is what you can do. All you need to do is to open the app, go ahead and click on Forgot Password, and then you will be prompted to enter a verification code that will either be sent to your email address or to your phone number or to your mobile phone as a text message. And once you've done that, all you need to do is to nominate a new PIN number. And after providing the new PIN number, you just click on submit and you're good to go. You're pretty much done with it. You can get your account back right away. And as you can see in here, I'll just go ahead and log in using the new PIN number. Alright, so that's all good now. The second option to recover your account is to go through GCash Care. So I'll show you a conversation that I've had with GCash Care when I was locked out of my account back in January. So here you go. Okay, so that is what happened when I was locked out and I had to recover my GCash PIN using GCash Care's help. Alright, for the third solution, this is going to be by sending an email. So I have here an email address, so what I'm going to do is I'll just email this one, and I'm also going to provide the same details that was requested from me when I had the chat with GCash Care. So it's pretty much copy pasting that template into my email, just saying a few words, putting on the subject, and of course being asking really for help, not like you're demanding the world to help you out. So you just keep your cool and ask in a friendly way. Alright, so that is sending email through the GCash support email. And the fourth and last solution that I have for you is to, of course, go to the nearest Globe store. Now, if you're near a mall like SM, there's a Globe store in there, and they do have, in most cases, they do have representatives who takes care of GCash concerns like verification and stuff like that, and they will be able to assist you in recovering your GCash PIN or unlocking your account. Alright, so I hope one of those options or solutions that I have provided you would help you unlock your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I would appreciate if you can subscribe and at the same time share this with your friends who you think might benefit from the content. And once again, my name is Florante, and thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.